Hi there, welcome to Bytework. In this video, we'll see how to implement custom notification sound for our Flutter applications. So for that, in the perspec.yml, we'll add these three dependencies. The first one is Firebase core, the second one is Firebase messaging for remote messages, and the last one is Flutter local notification that help us to create local notification channels. In the main.dart file, we have created a simple home page with a button in the center position. Now let's see the main code. Here on the custom notification sound service, we have implemented the logic for our custom notification sound. So for that, we have created this service as a singleton service and initialize the Firebase messaging and also the Firebase local notification plugin. And we have added a method called initialize. In this method, we have requested the permissions for notification, also set up the setting for Android and iOS, then initialize those settings using the Flutter local notification package. After that, we also created the channels for local notifications. The channel ID is custom channel. We can add any name here, also description. Make sure to add play sound to true and raw Android notification sound to the file name, and the file will be present in the Android folder inside the app, inside src main res, inside a raw folder. If the raw folder is does not present, then create the raw folder and copy the sound here. For this video, I am using this sound to implement the custom notification. After that, let's handle background, foreground and terminate state messages. So here on the Firebase messaging, we added a background message handler. Make sure that background message handler is a top level function, because without that it won't work. Also, you need to add this annotation above this background handler, because without that your code will work in debug mode, but in the production mode it won't work. Also, if you want to handle when the application in the terminated state, you can add that here using the get initial message function, and do whatever screen you want to show, or do any kind of action if you want, and at the end we'll print the fcm token of the device. And for showing the notification, we create a show notification function that will call a static function show notification static, and here in the show notification static function we'll create the actual notification here. For Android, we'll create through the channel, and for iOS, we'll create through the Darwin notification details. And one thing I forgot to mention, for iOS, you need to place the uh, audio file inside the iOS folder, inside runner folder with the AIFF format. Now, for testing purpose, let's create instance of the notification service here, and show a notification. We also need to initialize our service in the main function. That's it. Let's build our application. Now, if we try to test, you can see the test notification come with the custom sound. Another very important thing to mention here, if you want your application to work properly and the notification sound work properly in production application, you need to add keep.xml file inside the raw folder, so that whenever you build the application, the sound file is intact with the build. Now let's test with remote notifications. For that, we'll copy this FCM token. We'll go to the Firebase project. In the messaging part, if you don't find it here, you can see inside the run. We'll go to the messaging, create our first campaign, hit create. Now paste the token here, press add and test. We can see the notification comes with the custom sound. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know about your thoughts and any doubts in the comments.